today I got this Honda Accord 2017. I'm gonna show you how to change the cabin filter on this. It's easy, quick video. Just want to show you this. Let's get it. First things first, open up the glove box. Empty this out if you want. Empty this. This thing is not even supposed to poke out. I don't know why it's out. Maybe he was trying to do it, but it's supposed to be right here. See? Snaps in. Now, yours is in there. So just pull back on it. It should pop out. Push it back. Now, you got these things right here that's holding it. I don't know if you see it. Right there. That's holding it from going down on both sides. So you're gonna squeeze here like that, and the other side too, like that. See, it should drop. Soon it drop, you see right here. You see this? This is where the filter is at. Now squeeze on this like that. Should pull out the other side too. Squeeze on this. Alright, there it is. Now, all you gotta do is pull it out. And there it is. It's the filter. It's not bad. I've seen worse. Alright, let's get the new one. Okay, this is the old one. This is the new one. You see the difference? It's whiter. More white than this one. As you see. And when you put it in, make sure you put it in the same way you took it out. Some filters show this flow right here. You see the flow? You see the arrow? It should face up like this. Okay? So now, let's put it in. Put it in there. It should slide right in there. Just like that. Put the cap back on. Cap. Snap in. Okay, just like that. Now pull this up, squeeze the corner so it can go in there. That same thing with the other side. It's in there. Now put this back where it was, right here. Pull on it till it snaps like this. Hear that? Okay, now put your stuff back, whatever that was in there, put it back in there. That's it. That was it. Quick video on the cabin filter on this Honda. If you have any questions, let me know. Comment below. Hit me on Instagram, Jules Mechanics, and don't forget, give me a like and subscribe. Later.